Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. How you can send an image in Gmail. So to do that, go ahead and open up Compose in the upper left hand side. That's going to open up a new box here where you can write your email, and you can just go ahead and enter an address. For example, I'm going to just type in an email address right here, and of course I'm going to go ahead and add a subject. So I'm going to just say pick, for example, of the week, right? And go ahead and just say, for example, happy Friday. I don't know, something like that. And you want to go ahead and attach that image. So right here, you can attach the image as a file, or you can go ahead and click where it says insert photos. So whichever option, I'm going to use both and show you. So for image, you click on that and you just choose whether it's going to be a Google image or it's going to be something from your computer or it's going to be something from the web. You can go ahead and choose whatever, right? So I'm going to choose from the PC right here, then click on browse and just add, for example, I'm going to add a thumbnail right here. Let's say that's it. And you will see that they insert the image right in the email and it's visible, right? You can adjust it as well the way you want, right? And of course, you can even like put it into a new line or wherever. No, doing the attachment is slightly different and it's kind of making the email much more cleaner. So it's going to attach the image as an attachment. So go ahead and click on attach files, and here you'll choose the image. Once you do that, you will see that it attached the image as the file itself. And so that's much more cleaner. They can still see the picture. Once they click on it, they will be able to view it and download it. But that's it. Very easy and very simple. Once you're done, click on send, and that's pretty much it, guys.